We have a vision to be an international university of choice, anchored in Africa, dynamically shaping the future. At UJ, we're committed to creating a teaching and learning environment that will retain and produce visionary, able, innovative people who remain firmly at the center of creating tomorrow.
On behalf of the Council and the Executive Management and UJ staff, it gives me great pleasure to welcome our university graduates and guests to this virtual graduation ceremony. As is the case in many parts of the world, South Africans are currently experiencing elements of a state of national lockdown due to the pandemic. This is without doubt a defining global crisis of our time and the most significant challenge we have faced in a long time. Due to restrictions on public gatherings during COVID-19 pandemic, the university had to postpone its graduations, which would have comprised of more than 60 graduation ceremonies. The qualifications will instead be awarded and conferred to our graduates in absentia by means of this virtual graduation ceremony. Higher education, like many other sectors, is reeling under the impact of the disease. As we all continue to navigate through these unique and evolving challenges, the University of Johannesburg has taken the necessary steps to ensure business continuity. I would like to express my sincere appreciation to all our staff for their support to our students during these challenging times. Due to the commitment from our staff and students, we completed the 2020 year on time and with an improved student success rate. In total, almost 1,300 academic qualifications are awarded and conferred at these virtual graduation ceremonies. This includes more than 10,000 undergraduate diplomas or degrees and almost 2,300 postgraduate degrees, including more than 500 master's and 100 doctoral degrees. Given that a graduation ceremony is such a momentous occasion in a student's life, we hope to have a celebration ceremony for our graduates later in the year. I'm reminded of the words of our former President Nelson Mandela, and I quote, "Our children are the rock on which our future will be built, our greatest asset as a nation. They will be the leaders of our country, the creators of our national wealth, who care and protect our people." Close quote. Graduates, you have been groomed for leadership. You are equipped to join the world of work locally and abroad. You are empowered to be a leader in the fourth industrial revolution, where technology is infused in our workplaces, homes, and all aspects of our lives. The world you are venturing into is abundant with opportunities, but is also beset with challenges. Yet you have the most fantastic opportunity to be the architects and builders of a new world as you embark on your selected career. We know that you will use your successes and your strength to make positive contributions to society as responsible corporate citizens and future leaders. As you glow with justified pride in your successes, bear in mind that you have not walked this journey alone. You have walked with your fellow students, lecturers, tutors, and the firm encouragement and support of family and friends. As you bask in your achievements and move on to the next chapter, we take this moment to thank them for being your walking companions. Graduates, we hope to see you again when furthering with your studies and as active alumni. On behalf of UJ, I would like to congratulate all our graduates. Chancellor, I now request you to confer or award their respective qualifications. I thank you. Ngiyabonga bayadanki.
By virtue of the powers vested in me, I now constitute this meeting as a lawful congregation of the University of Johannesburg. E le ge ke hlompha maatla ao ke filweng go ona, bjale ke thea phuthego ye ya go ba semolao University ya Johannesburg. Krachtens die bevoegdhede aan my toevertrou, verklaar ek nou hierdie vergadering as 'n wettige kongregasie van die Universiteit van Johannesburg. Ngenxa yegunya enginikwe lona, ngimisa lo mhlangano njengokuhlangana okusemthethweni kwenyuvesi yase-Johannesburg. I hereby confirm the conferral or awarding of the qualifications on the candidates as listed in the graduation programs. Executive Dean, please present the faculty and the candidates.
A graduation celebration allows us an opportunity for reflection. For many, the past year may be one of the most impactful as we had to contend with a global pandemic, a national lockdown, the implementation and continuation of national alert levels, the mourning of personal losses, and adjusting to a very different way of life that limited our freedom. As I personally reflected on this past year, I realized that there are many lessons to be learned and revelations to be made. Above all, I realized that in the midst of uncertainty, maybe fear and anxiety, and a total disruption of all that we know to be normal, we showed agility, resilience, and we remained hopeful. We created opportunities, we worked hard, and we refused to give up. That to me speaks of your character and strength. Now, today, we not only recognize the remarkable and outstanding academic achievements of our undergraduate and postgraduate students, but we celebrate them. The Faculty of Health Sciences continues to offer learners a preferred learning experience with real-life skills practiced in our on-site health training facilities and in other accredited off-campus and community clinics and private and public hospitals. These clinical training areas form a learning hub with thousands of consultations conducted per annum, ensuring that our graduates are sensitive to and have an understanding of the broader healthcare needs of our society. Clinical training is further enhanced by placement in relevant service rendering facilities, which are accredited by the university and the relevant regulatory bodies. The faculty places a high emphasis on quality assurance and curriculum review. Approaches to teaching and learning are constantly re-evaluated, while international and national program benchmarking and external advisory committee evaluations are but some examples of how we ensure that we remain leaders in our relevant fields. Our health education, training and research initiatives are further enhanced with the application of technology and innovation, some within the context of the Fourth Industrial Revolution, all of which strengthens the relevance of the faculty and the curricula offered within. This is further evidenced by the rollout of 2 fully online short learning programs during 2021 that covers Bioethics 4.0 and Introduction to Healthcare Technology in 4IR. Furthermore, our academics are recognized for their expertise and continue to serve on provincial, national and international advisory committees, regulatory boards and committees of the HPCSA, AHPCSA and SANC. Further to enhancing the research objectives of the university, our researchers contribute to the fields of science and technology, and their work impacts on the quality of life of all South Africans. Currently, our faculty is home to 4 research centers, the newest of which is the Biomedical Engineering and Healthcare Technology Research Center, the BEAT Research Center. This exciting new center was established last year with a vision that speaks to basic, applied, and strategic research in biomedical engineering, health innovation, healthcare technology, and mHealth. Our rated researchers have national, continental, and international recognition and acknowledgement for their work, while our activities with the Medical Research Council and the World Health Organization have made a unique contribution to urban planning and related interventions. Importantly, the South African Research Chair's initiative allocation of a chair in the domain of lasers in health speaks volumes about the importance of this work nationally and internationally. Our Water in Health features as an important area of research in the faculty, with innovative products being developed for monitoring water quality. We host the first Olympic Study Centre on the continent, one of the only 37 worldwide, with a vision to be a partner of excellence in Africa for Olympic studies and sport for development and peace, through active collaboration with key policy actors and agencies to drive a shared agenda of social transformation and fair play. In line with the university's strategic objectives, the faculty drives sustainable and relevant community development projects, and various programs are involved in sustainable social investment and community outreach programs. Clinical training within our qualifications also crucially expands and exposes the training of our students to the challenges faced in public health within our communities. In conclusion, the faculty is extremely proud to be ranked by Times Higher Education in the top 600 health science faculties among the more than 20,000 qualifying universities internationally, and these include universities with medical programs. The faculty congratulates all our graduates with their significant achievement today. I thank you. Ke a leboga, Niabonga, baie dankie.
Mr. Geraldo Masdorp, Higher Certificate Emergency Medical Care. Mr. Nkululeko Bennett Mashibini, Higher Certificate Emergency Medical Care. Mr. Spamandla Eric Mlotshwa, Higher Certificate Emergency Medical Care. Mr. Vuel Philip Mohale, Higher Certificate Emergency Medical Care. Mr. Lefa Osias Nyenye, Higher Certificate Emergency Medical Care. Mr. Nkatswang Matthew Sibuhudi, Higher Certificate Emergency Medical Care. Mr. Justin Frederick Colbert, Diploma in Emergency Medical Care. Mr. Dennis Ntokozo Dladla, Diploma in Emergency Medical Care. Mr. Thabo Cyril Dladla, Diploma in Emergency Medical Care. Mr. Albert Hensberg, Diploma in Emergency Medical Care. Mr. Hlonolo Peter Hlatuga, Diploma in Emergency Medical Care. Mr. Sello Sohlekwa Hlatshayo, Diploma in Emergency Medical Care. Mr. Tebogo Hopani, Diploma in Emergency Medical Care. Ms. Nomsa Treya Jere, Diploma in Emergency Medical Care. Ms. Pindile Lucia Kanyile, Diploma in Emergency Medical Care. Ms. Tatum Tez Leonard, Diploma in Emergency Medical Care. Mr. Sipemo Makula, Diploma in Emergency Medical Care. Mr. Lucky Joseph Malisa, Diploma in Emergency Medical Care. Mr. Keletso Bukamuso Matsipe, Diploma in Emergency Medical Care. Ms. Koketso Kutlwano Mulefe, Diploma in Emergency Medical Care. Ms. Mapula Mulefe, Diploma in Emergency Medical Care. Mr. Tebogo Stanley Mulusi, Diploma in Emergency Medical Care. Mr. Muchizwa Dalton Mpepu, Diploma in Emergency Medical Care. Miss Messi Siyathemba Nontokozo Mtiani, Diploma in Emergency Medical Care. Mr. Mbulelo Innocent Musandiwa, Diploma in Emergency Medical Care. Mr. Kwanele Kenneth Ndlovu, Diploma in Emergency Medical Care. Miss Muneiwa Rosemary Ndowu, Diploma in Emergency Medical Care. Mr. Ntutuko Ngobo, Diploma in Emergency Medical Care. Mr. Zwelethu Ngema, Diploma in Emergency Medical Care. Miss Nolukhanyo Ngodwane, Diploma in Emergency Medical Care. Mr. Nakampe Petros Ralibofu, Diploma in Emergency Medical Care. Mr. Amukelani Lekon Rikhotso, Diploma in Emergency Medical Care. Mr. Conray Jason Sal, Diploma in Emergency Medical Care. Mr. Lindokuhle Emmanuel Shelembe, Diploma in Emergency Medical Care. Mr. Tamsanga Smith, Diploma in Emergency Medical Care. Mr. Ndibuo Reason Chabungwe, Diploma in Emergency Medical Care. Mr. Siyabonga Alex Goodwill Tsiani, Diploma in Emergency Medical Care. Mr. Silirs van Eden, Diploma in Emergency Medical Care.
Mr. Realeboha Melfort Ndleleni, Diploma in Emergency Medical Care.
Mr. Bakir Bardin, National Diploma Sport Management. Mr. Yongama Chabalala, National Diploma Sport Management. Ms. Khutso Miranda Chauke, National Diploma Sport Management. Ms. Tsedisegang Dipeko, National Diploma Sport Management. Mr. Cabelonkosi Zakhele Dladla, National Diploma Sport Management. Mr. Njabulo Welcome Dlamini, National Diploma Sport Management. Ms. Zenande Zethu Simanyene Funani, National Diploma Sport Management. Ms. Rakhadi Biutikekana, National Diploma Sport Management. Mr. Moses Nkosinathi Khoza, National Diploma Sport Management. Mr. William Jabulani Khoza, National Diploma Sport Management. Mr. Andries Pamandla Kubega, National Diploma Sport Management. Mr. Khayelihle Big Boy Lloyd Kubega, National Diploma Sport Management. Mr. Tabang Moses Kwatapa, National Diploma Sport Management. Miss Amor Leroux, National Diploma Sport Management. Miss Sontaga Betty Litswalo, National Diploma Sport Management. Miss Mbali Mahlombe, National Diploma Sport Management. Miss Noluthando Gugulethu Makhubu, National Diploma Sport Management. Mr. Gideon Makomela, National Diploma Sport Management. Miss Amukelani Gift Matebula, National Diploma Sport Management. Mr. Ofenze Thabiso Matlakala, National Diploma Sport Management. Mr. Bonga Andile Mayekiso, National Diploma Sport Management. Mr. Bongani Sandile Mayekiso, National Diploma Sport Management. Mr. Wanda Mbona, National Diploma Sport Management. Mr. Mandisa Mbuwako, National Diploma Sport Management. Miss Zinhle Mdledle, National Diploma Sport Management. Miss Obinia Mbali Oledinma Mguli, National Diploma Sport Management. Mr. Mfanelo Mhlongo, National Diploma Sport Management. Mr. Jongithemba Mhluzi, National Diploma Sport Management. Mr. Genre Malik Meller, National Diploma Sport Management. Mr. Tumelo Khaya Mlalazi, National Diploma Sport Management. Ms. Trudy Shariat Mnisi, National Diploma Sport Management. Mr. Timothy Moabi, National Diploma Sport Management. Mr. King Neo Mufuka, National Diploma Sport Management. Mr. Lucky Mulemani Mukhanyechi, National Diploma Sport Management. Miss Remember Khupucho Ramadimeche Mulukwani, National Diploma Sport Management. Miss Ntabiseng Agnes Murolo, National Diploma Sport Management. Mr. Ndibuiseni Pete Mulauzi, National Diploma Sport Management. Mr. Zianda Bongumenzi Mieza, National Diploma Sport Management. Mr. Tando Ndaba, National Diploma Sport Management. Mr. Sipiwe Prince Ndala, National Diploma Sport Management. Miss Nokwanda Ngobo, National Diploma Sport Management. Mr. Andile Junior Ngobo, National Diploma Sport Management. Miss Amukelani Ngonyama, National Diploma Sport Management. Miss Lumka Ngunze, National Diploma Sport Management. Mr. Aphelele Njingolo, National Diploma Sport Management. Mr. Lindelani Freedom Ntsibande, National Diploma Sport Management. Miss Faith Owolabi, National Diploma Sport Management. Miss Rlebuhile Anastasia Pebani, National Diploma Sport Management. Mr. Boni Sisila, National Diploma Sport Management. Mr. Mcebisi Mzuzile Shabani, National Diploma Sport Management. Mr. Siabonga Shongwe, National Diploma Sport Management. Mr. Surev Rajiv Darasingh Singh, National Diploma Sport Management. Miss Puleng Sitole, National Diploma Sport Management. Mr. Mabusa Makel Tawia Tswala, National Diploma Sport Management. Mr. Yongezile Tati, National Diploma Sport Management. Mr. Martin Khaukhelo Tuka, National Diploma Sport Management. Mr. Raymond Ntsepe Chachi, National Diploma Sport Management. Miss Eugenia Tenia Shabalala, National Diploma Sport Management. Miss Manukwana Angela Tsita, National Diploma Sport Management. Mr. Mohau Isaac Twala, National Diploma Sport Management. Mr. Kelvin Ezekiel Wachabe, National Diploma Sport Management. Mr. Sizwe Morgan Kasa, National Diploma Sport Management. Mr. Pasha Kanies Zita, National Diploma Sport Management. Miss Tandega Precious Zwani, National Diploma Sport Management.
Mr. Michael John Arense, Baccalaureus Curationis.
Miss Lirato Diteko, Baccalaureus Curationis. Miss Zakira Hadley, Baccalaureus Curationis. Miss Tembega Princess Shongwani, Baccalaureus Curationis. Miss Noluthando Nkazimulo Hlubi, Baccalaureus Curationis. Miss Sisona Sigelela Kente, Baccalaureus Curationis. Miss Mariam Bibi Colvadia, Baccalaureus Curationis. Miss Nompumelelo Cynthia Khumalo, Baccalaureus Curationis. Mr. Katleho Dichamela, Baccalaureus Curati Honors. Miss Dolly Machete, Baccalaureus Curati Honors. Miss Murungwa Linkole Makola, Baccalaureus Curati Honors. Miss Desire Muduba Malapile, Baccalaureus Curati Honors. Mr. Manda Manwadu, Baccalaureus Curati Honors. Miss Oguhle Precious Massimini, Baccalaureus Curati Honors. Miss Nora Mata, Baccalaureus Curati Honors. Miss Koketso Kopano Matige, Baccalaureus Curati Honors. Miss Asanda Mboniswa, Baccalaureus Curati Honors. Mr. Sbusiso Given Mboweni, Baccalaureus Curati Honors. Miss Toto Minenhle Mhlambo, Baccalaureus Curati Honors. Miss Njabulo Faith Mlota, Baccalaureus Curati Honors. Miss Palisa Mukoka, Baccalaureus Curati Honors. Miss Jeannie Eugenia Morgan, Baccalaureus Curati Honors. Mr. Tumelo Faith Musikatsana, Baccalaureus Curati Honors. Miss Hlanzeka Khonzinkosi Mthethwa, Baccalaureus Curati Honors. Mr. Panuel Sizwe Musekwa, Baccalaureus Curati Honors. Miss Emalanshia Nkosi, Baccalaureus Curati Honors. Mr. Tapelo Joseph Patlani, Baccalaureus Curati Honors. Mr. Lerato Siboto, Baccalaureus Curati Honors. Mr. Palisa Sokazi, Baccalaureus Curati Honors. Mr. Tandoguhle Junior Sawa, Baccalaureus Curati Honors. Mr. Sibongagonke John Zondo, Baccalaureus Curati Honors. Mr. Jason Ackerman, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Communication. Miss Courtney Tatum Foster, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Communication. Mr. Hudson Kennedy Gorge, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Communication. Mr. Keleboga Ritabile Gogume, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Communication. Miss Naledi Mahlangu, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Communication. Mr. Kidifenze Mutlani, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Communication. Miss Nogutula Happiness Mnyani, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Communication. Miss Sitobile Wendile Ngubani, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Communication. Mr. Lindri Rowan Pale, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Communication. Mr. Fortunate Vusimuzi Poho, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Communication. Mrs. Notile Angel Zindela, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Communication. Mr. Perican Mlungisi Zikubu, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Communication. Mr. Jeffrey Junior Alinafe Banda, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Development.
Mr. Jared Buerta, Bachelor of Arts.
Miss Sinetemba Innocentia Kunene, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Development. Mr. Oriental James Mashau, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Development. Miss Pindile Tembelihle Matu, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Development. Mr. Vuyo Zwelibanzi Mutse, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Development. Mr. Jabulani Jeffrey Nhlapo, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Development. Mr. Njabulo Godfrey Nhlapo, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Development. Mr. Lwazi Sibusiso Nkosi, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Development. Mr. Mekil Pillay, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Development. Mr. Nicola Babik, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Ms. Mpho Baloyi, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Mr. Cameron James Bryce, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Mr. Travis Drysdale Cameron, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Ms. Nobantu Thando Dlamini, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Ms. Kaylin Jessica Deploy, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Ms. Megan Engelbrecht, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Ms. Lerato Alexis Palasi, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Ms. Carmen Melissa Friendly, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Mr. Doron Zoria Goldsmith, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Mr. Njabulo Riwat Hadebe, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Mr. Reza Hill, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Ms. Busisiwe Sophie Hlatshwayo, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology.
With distinction.
Mr. Peter Daniel Jordan, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology.
Mr. Gabriel Dylan Campbell, Bachelor of Arts.
Mr. Jordan Keel, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Ms. Taiba Khan, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Ms. Michelle Gotts, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Ms. Thembi Kunene, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Mr. Keenan Kyle Landsberg, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Ms. Ntabeleng Mahosi Langa, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Ms. Rifilwe Petunia Lotlare, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Ms. Jabulile Primrose Letta Mabena, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Ms. Jane Madima, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Ms. Sarah Lekgolo Maeko, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Mr. Nkosinathi Mahlangu, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Ms. Tato Mary Ann Mahuma, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Mr. Karabo Hani Makhato, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Ms. Rosemary Makanya, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Ms. Karabo Makhurubeji, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Ms. Kifemetswi Makwe, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Mr. Simpiwe Kulegani Mapanga, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Ms. Temlin Genevieve Martin, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Ms. Melissa Ami Martin, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Ms. Nomusa Faith Masego, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Ms. Lehlohonolo Trinity Mashapa, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Mr. Tepang Majila, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Ms. Elizabeth Ropafadzo Mazibise, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Mr. Mthunzi Sithabiso Mbatha, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Ms. Akani Happiness Mukoka, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Mr. Mushe Munyai, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology.
Mr. Khotso Rorisang Moripe, Bachelor of Arts.
Ms. Mulebucheng Florence Moroke, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Ms. Gaugelo Natisha Murulani, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Ms. Buntle Elisa Mutsweni, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Mr. Katleho Mtembu, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Mr. Anthony Ndeyanka Mwanga, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Ms. Khutazo Nemahunguni, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Mr. Michael Newland Nell, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Ms. Lindelwa Viola Ngomani, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Ms. Faith Mahlase Nkosi, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Ms. Siphelele Nkosi, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology.
With distinction.
Mr. Tumelo Lincoln Peu, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Miss Letitia J. Pesutem, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology.
Miss Mathlori Praise Rebisi, Bachelor of Arts.
Miss Teresho Sibati, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Miss Bonolo Sijake, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Mr. Uratile Sandile Senna, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Miss Kamugelo Anna Sibanyoni, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Miss Pilangani Khomutso Tsebe, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Mr. Obakeng Tabang Tevin Vilagazi, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Miss Gina Page Warner, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Miss Yolanda Yotwana, Bachelor of Arts in Sport Psychology. Miss Pavia Dominique Abrosi, Bachelor of Biokinetics, Biokinetics. Mr. Tinyiko Jackson Baloyi, Bachelor of Biokinetics, Biokinetics. Miss Caitlin Rain Bika, Bachelor of Biokinetics, Biokinetics. Miss Monique Crowcamp, Bachelor of Biokinetics, Biokinetics. Miss Lauren Ember Gage, Bachelor of Biokinetics, Biokinetics. Mr. Alexandra Harding, Bachelor of Biokinetics, Biokinetics.
Miss Lisa Heineke, Bachelor of Biokinetics.
Mr. Mohammed Yusuf Jina, Bachelor of Biokinetics, Biokinetics. Miss Marizel Leib Brandt, Bachelor of Biokinetics, Biokinetics. Miss Aisha Manak, Bachelor of Biokinetics, Biokinetics. Mr. Stembiso Sylvester Mazibugo, Bachelor of Biokinetics, Biokinetics. Miss Shenaz Msusa, Bachelor of Biokinetics, Biokinetics. Miss Anzel Scott, Bachelor of Biokinetics, Biokinetics. Mr. Dane Peck Stevenson, Bachelor of Biokinetics, Biokinetics.
Miss Rebecca Marion Wilkinson, Bachelor of Biokinetics, with distinction. Faculty Prize for the most prestigious in undergraduate and honors for 2020.
Mr. Philip Daniel Das Neves Agostino, Bachelor of Commerce, Sport Management. Miss Shannon Ellen Benting, Bachelor of Commerce, Sport Management. Mr. Sitamawetu Quintin Gama, Bachelor of Commerce, Sport Management. Mr. Razin Haswarey, Bachelor of Commerce, Sport Management. Mr. Kenzani Obakeng Mabunda, Bachelor of Commerce, Sport Management. Mr. Sitombo Somila Masakane, Bachelor of Commerce, Sport Management. Mr. Mthokozisi Masinga, Bachelor of Commerce, Sport Management. Mr. Brandon Matsila, Bachelor of Commerce, Sport Management. Miss Yasira Mayet, Bachelor of Commerce, Sport Management. Mr. Promise Jekimnisi, Bachelor of Commerce, Sport Management. Mr. Goodwell Musima, Bachelor of Commerce, Sport Management. Mr. Sibonga Gonke Simpiwe Ndaba, Bachelor of Commerce, Sport Management. Mr. Ntantlan Ndlovu, Bachelor of Commerce, Sport Management. Miss Ntandoyenkosi Precious Ntombela, Bachelor of Commerce, Sport Management. Mr. Tumelo Reginald Sekhwilila, Bachelor of Commerce, Sport Management. Miss Jordan Stevenson, Bachelor of Commerce, Sport Management. Miss Haneke Pietra Alkema, Bachelor of Health Sciences, Emergency Medical Care. Miss Charlotte Patricia Calder, Bachelor of Health Sciences, Emergency Medical Care. Miss Kaylee Sarah Koch, Bachelor of Health Sciences, Emergency Medical Care. Mr. Etienne Gutze, Bachelor of Health Sciences, Emergency Medical Care. Mr. Manfred Obakeng Dire, Bachelor of Health Sciences, Emergency Medical Care. Mr. Michael David Hyams, Bachelor of Health Sciences, Emergency Medical Care. Mr. Guvashan Mandri, Bachelor of Health Sciences, Emergency Medical Care. Mr. Sidupa Masoka Meni, Bachelor of Health Sciences, Emergency Medical Care. Mr. Tabo Muntlatani, Bachelor of Health Sciences, Emergency Medical Care. Miss Anushka Naidu, Bachelor of Health Sciences, Emergency Medical Care. Miss Kiara Ney, Bachelor of Health Sciences, Emergency Medical Care. Miss Michaela Danielle Steele, Bachelor of Health Sciences, Emergency Medical Care. Miss Rebecca Sama Thompson, Bachelor of Health Sciences, Emergency Medical Care. Miss Jane van der Merwe, Bachelor of Health Sciences, Emergency Medical Care. Miss Zane van Yerden, Bachelor of Health Sciences, Emergency Medical Care. Mr. Reno van Vollenhoven, Bachelor of Health Sciences, Emergency Medical Care. Mr. Zek Ibn Vermaak, Bachelor of Health Sciences, Emergency Medical Care. Miss Petronelle Buchanan, Further National Higher Diploma in Nursing. Miss Chantel Jordan, Further National Higher Diploma in Nursing. Miss Manuku Caroline Mabelani, Further National Diploma in Nursing. Miss Juritha Malan, Further National Higher Diploma in Nursing. Mrs. Mandisa Sharon Ntuli, Further National Higher Diploma in Nursing. Mr. Sandile Welcome Zungu, Further National Higher Diploma in Nursing.
Miss Nonsido Philadelphia Mapanga, Further National Higher Diploma in Nursing.
Miss Moni Elizabeth Jonas, Further National Higher Diploma in Nursing Administration, 1 year. Miss Tembi Margaret Lukele, Further National Higher Diploma in Nursing Administration, 1 year. Mrs. Lirato Sharon Manaswe, Further National Higher Diploma in Nursing Administration, 1 year. Miss Alida Susan Duplessis Fori, Further National Higher Diploma in Nursing Education. Mrs. Xolile Precious Mguni, Further National Higher Diploma in Nursing Education.
Mrs. Busisiwe Mkaka Makatini, Further National Higher Diploma in Nursing. Mrs. Hlengiwe Nomthandazo Myeni, Further National Higher Diploma in Nursing. Miss Megan Carmelita Thorne, Further National Higher Diploma in Nursing. Miss Giandra Margaret Bridges, Baccalaureus, Curationist, Educationist at Administrationist. Miss Tembegile Juliet Champala, Baccalaureus, Curationist, Educationist at Administrationist. Miss Kangwa Chewe, Baccalaureus, Curationist, Educationist at Administrationist. Mrs. Nombonakaliso Dukiso, Baccalaureus, Curationist, Educationist at Administrationist. Miss Emily Chalangat Kirui, Baccalaureus, Curationist, Educationist at Administrationist. Miss Senzi Happiness Lukele, Baccalaureus, Curationist, Educationist at Administrationist. Miss Fulufelo Ernest Mabata, Baccalaureus, Curationist, Educationist at Administrationist. Miss Maggie Mulubane Makoro, Baccalaureus, Curationist, Educationist at Administrationist. Miss Tulisile Gugu Makubela, Baccalaureus, Curationist, Educationist at Administrationist. Miss Doris Seketani Malulege, Baccalaureus, Curationist, Educationist at Administrationist. Mrs. Nontlantla Lucia Matebula, Baccalaureus, Curationist, Educationist at Administrationist. Miss Violet Matonsi, Baccalaureus, Curationist, Educationist at Administrationist. Mr. Spesihle Nolan Ndaga, Baccalaureus, Curationist, Educationist at Administrationist. Mrs. Matidiso Violet Mukwena, Baccalaureus, Curationist, Educationist at Administrationist. Mr. Takanani Abednego Munjezi, Baccalaureus, Curationist, Educationist at Administrationist. Miss Lavenia Neya, Baccalaureus, Curationist, Educationist at Administrationist. Ms. Jacqueline Dikeledi Nandise, Baccalaureus, Curationist, Educationist at Administrationist. Miss Bridget Ndlovu, Baccalaureus, Curationist, Educationist at Administrationist. Mrs. Ritabile Ndlovu, Baccalaureus, Curationist, Educationist at Administrationist. Mrs. Zodwa Anita Ndlozi, Baccalaureus, Curationist, Educationist at Administrationist. Mrs. Nomkosi Happiness Nklapo, Baccalaureus, Curationist, Educationist at Administrationist. Mrs. Mukadi Valerie Honoriere, Baccalaureus, Curationist, Educationist at Administrationist. Miss Vumbani Irene Paswana, Baccalaureus, Curationist, Educationist at Administrationist. Mrs. Zanele Sihlangu, Baccalaureus, Curationist, Educationist at Administrationist.
Miss Makoma Mariam Samaria Mpatlanyane, Baccalaureus, Curriculum Honors, Educations at Administrationist.
Mrs. Judith Patient Mthembu, Baccalaureus, Curationis.
Mrs. Siphumelele Ayanda Ngidi, Baccalaureus, Curationis, educationis et administrationis. Miss Ingrid Lebogang Sihlangu, Baccalaureus Curationis Educationis et Administrationis. Mrs. Carol Nomputhumo Mnonono, Baccalaureus Curationis Educationis et Administrationis. Mr. Edward Muhizo, Baccalaureus Curationis Educationis et Administrationis. Mr. Zimele Muoma Ndleleni, Baccalaureus Curationis Educationis et Administrationis. Miss Masepiso Jesse Simelani, Baccalaureus Curationis Educationis et Administrationis. Mr. Mfanazile Marvin Sithole, Baccalaureus Curationis Educationis et Administrationis. Miss Opa Sbova, Baccalaureus Curationis Educationis et Administrationis. Miss Christian van Brakel, Baccalaureus Curationis Educationis et Administrationis. Mr. Kayelihle Msawenkosi Vezi, Baccalaureus Curationis Educationis et Administrationis. Miss Nonhlanhla Michelle Cele, Baccalaureus Curationis Educationis et Administrationis. Mrs. Nomsa Lillian Makabeni, Baccalaureus Curationis Educationis et Administrationis. Miss Mpho Belina Malaji, Baccalaureus Curationis Educationis et Administrationis. Mrs. Zianda Malinga, Baccalaureus Curationis Educationis et Administrationis. Mrs. Busisiwe Mbatha, Baccalaureus Curationis Educationis et Administrationis. Miss Judith Hlengiwe Mkhize, Baccalaureus Curationis Educationis et Administrationis. Miss Nare Linda Mukhosana, Baccalaureus Curationis Educationis et Administrationis. Mrs. Haugile Nkosi, Baccalaureus Curationis Educationis et Administrationis. Miss Kikatseng Emma Ramhitsani, Baccalaureus Curationis Educationis et Administrationis. Miss Busisiwe Shezi, Baccalaureus Curationis Educationis et Administrationis. Miss Matsweni Elizabeth Shirinda, Baccalaureus Curationis Educationis et Administrationis. Mrs. Priscilla Gugulethu Sithole, Baccalaureus Curationis Educationis et Administrationis. Miss Thandiswa Hlwatika, Baccalaureus Curationis Educationis et Administrationis. Miss Ponto Hunadi Mangwale, Baccalaureus Curationis Educationis et Administrationis. Miss Felicia Buitumelo Matabuche, Baccalaureus Curationis Educationis et Administrationis. Miss Simpiwe Precious Mazibuko, Baccalaureus Curationis Educationis et Administrationis. Miss Rejoice Phetheni Ntuli, Baccalaureus Curationis Educationis et Administrationis. Mr. Mudibe Amos Rakhwale, Baccalaureus Curationis Educationis et Administrationis. Mr. Nicholas Minyikelo Chauke, Baccalaureus Artium Cum Honoribus Sport Management. Mr. Simbongile Conana, Baccalaureus Artium Cum Honoribus Sport Management. Mr. Lusindiso Leilani, Baccalaureus Artium Cum Honoribus Sport Management. Mr. Khunze Cyril Bapela, Bachelor of Arts Honours Sport Science. Mr. Tariq Mohammed Bodania, Bachelor of Arts Honours Sport Science. Ms. Kamokhelo Budibe, Bachelor of Arts Honours Sport Science. Ms. Zoe Bogart, Bachelor of Arts Honours Sport Science. Mr. Tyler Brown, Bachelor of Arts Honours Sport Science.
With distinction.
Miss Crystal Ethel Jade Cordowell, Bachelor of Arts Honours Sport Science. Mr. Lifake Kana, Bachelor of Arts Honours Sport Science. Mr. Andrew Brave Kumalo, Bachelor of Arts Honours Sport Science. Mr. Malibongwe Good Lucky Mabaso, Bachelor of Arts Honours Sport Science. Miss Basitsane Muiponi Mahamota, Bachelor of Arts Honours Sport Science. Miss Danica McWilliam, Bachelor of Arts Honours Sport Science.
With distinction.
Mr. Marcus Mules, Bachelor of Arts Honours Sport Science.
With distinction.
Mr. Kamokhelo Cornelius Mulwazi, Bachelor of Arts Honours Sport Science. Miss Mashudu Emma Mpilo, Bachelor of Arts Honours Sport Science. Miss Nasipi Ngumisa Munyu, Bachelor of Arts Honours Sport Science. Miss Reabetwi Makobo Petu, Bachelor of Arts Honours Sport Science. Mr. Vugasin Rajulovic, Bachelor of Arts Honours Sport Science.
With distinction.
Miss Sherin Rue, Bachelor of Arts Honours Sport Science.
With distinction.
Miss Lisedi Calvasia Shilenga, Bachelor of Arts Honours Sport Science. Mr. Tenulo Tsatsani, Bachelor of Arts Honours Sport Science. Miss Tlwe van der Merwe, Bachelor of Arts Honours Sport Science. Miss Maricia van der Westhuizen, Bachelor of Arts Honours Sport Science. Miss Musaru Wezi Chirwa, Bachelor of Commerce Honours Sport Management. Miss Olga Shulani Shungwani, Bachelor of Commerce Honours Sport Management. Mr. Zaid Gola, Bachelor of Commerce Honours Sport Management. Miss Njamulo Priti Mabasa, Bachelor of Commerce Honours Sport Management. Mr. Andile Fortune Walter Makagula, Bachelor of Commerce Honours Sport Management. Miss Karen Anesu Manyau, Bachelor of Commerce Honours Sport Management. Mr. Buntu Nkosiabo Machaya, Bachelor of Commerce Honours Sport Management. Miss Tembisile Mbata, Bachelor of Commerce Honours Sport Management. Miss Mpumelelo Pindile Mbenze, Bachelor of Commerce Honours Sport Management. Miss Amen Nelisiwe Mncube, Bachelor of Commerce Honours Sport Management. Miss Sharon Mukhweshwe Muchadibani, Bachelor of Commerce Honours Sport Management. Miss Lebogang Saramukoni, Bachelor of Commerce Honours Sport Management. Mr. Justice Mutsuhi, Bachelor of Commerce Honours Sport Management. Mr. Kilebogile Robin Mpulu, Bachelor of Commerce Honours Sport Management. Miss Bandiswa Primrose Msingaphansi, Bachelor of Commerce Honours Sport Management. Mr. Sifiso Goodwill Ngubani, Bachelor of Commerce Honours Sport Management. Mr. Bandile Bonwise Ntuli, Bachelor of Commerce Honours, Sport Management. Miss Alicia Wosthuizen, Bachelor of Commerce Honours, Sport Management. Mr. Uarabile Sichamo, Bachelor of Commerce Honours, Sport Management. Miss Nogwanda Vanessa Shongwe, Bachelor of Commerce Honours, Sport Management. Mr. Emmanuel Afolabi Gerard Peterson Sodomi, Bachelor of Commerce Honours, Sport Management. Miss Michaela Stacy Sprangan, Bachelor of Commerce Honours, Sport Management. Mr. Jordan Ashton Stringer, Bachelor of Commerce Honours, Sport Management.
With distinction.
Miss Charmaine Clooney, Bachelor of Commerce Honours, Sport Management. Miss Toselela Tsotsi, Bachelor of Commerce Honours, Sport Management. Mr. Matthew van der Berg, Bachelor of Commerce Honours, Sport Management. Mr. Abraham Karel Greiling, Senegal, Master of Emergency Medical Care. Mrs. Mapule Susan Mnanzane, Master of Nursing Science, Community Nursing Science, Primary Health Care. Mrs. Tulisiwe Poshia Guguletu Mabaso, Master of Nursing Science, Professional Nursing Science, Nursing Education. Mr. Tevin Clyde Blynot, Master of Philosophy, Sports Science. Mr. Dumisani Andris Hlaselo, Master of Philosophy, Sports Science. Ms. Masodi Esther Mahale, Doctor of Nursing Science.
Michaela Masodi Esther. The purpose of the research study was to develop and describe strategies to facilitate advocacy for the human rights of mental health care users by psychiatric nurses. The study was conducted in 3 phases. In phase 1, in-depth phenological focus group interviews were conducted through selecting psychiatric nurses by employing purposive sampling. Results from the study revealed that psychiatric nurses experience advocacy as an existing plea in their attempts to voice and protect mental health care users' rights and needs, and that mental health care users were discriminated against by various stakeholders. In addition, psychiatric nurses experienced that mental health awareness was important and training needed to be conducted to destigmatize mental illness from government to society level. Based on the results, a conceptual framework was developed in phase 2, which guided the development of strategies in phase 3 to facilitate advocacy for the human rights of mental health care users by psychiatric nurses. The original contribution to the body of knowledge of psychiatric nursing is the conceptual framework and the strategies to facilitate advocacy for the human rights of mental health care users by psychiatric nurses.
Ms. Nana Akua Achia Adom Abu Aje, Doctor Philosophy, Sport Management.
Adom Abu-Haji Nana Ekua Echa conducted unprecedented research, with one of her international assessors commenting that it might be possible for the thesis to form the basis of leadership framework and modeling for the continent. Nana Echa research explored the intersection of gender and sports ideology and its impact on gender inequality in the South African context. From a civic society perspective, it focused on identifying and investigating policies, structures, and practices relating to gender equity. This allowed for an exploratory and in-depth investigation into how civic society actors perceive and experience gender equity within sport-related domains in South Africa. This study drew on African feminist theories as a conceptual framework and the thematic analysis of policies and strategic documents for gender framing and equality. This allowed her to identify key issues that impinge upon women and sport in South Africa, namely ideology, or mindsets, how people think about gender, how women are treated, a norm constructed on how women should be treated, and how poverty and violence interact to affect women, which questions the meaningfulness of participation or involvement in sport. The study adds to an international knowledge within the field of women and sport by providing a decolonialized African perspective that unpacks the marginalization of women in African society and, in particular, South African sport.
Mr. Ndiafi Percy Mugwedi, Dr. Philosophy, Sport Management.
Mugwedi Nyandafi Percy. Percy studied, debated and integrated literature in the fields of sociology and management in a comprehensive way, analyzing strategic management principles and the social anchor theory for the development of a framework for the management of rural sport and recreation facilities in the Vhembe district of the Limpopo province, South Africa. He followed an explorative, descriptive research design and a mixed method approach to ascertain constructs and propositions that present social realities and validate evidence of current trends and priorities impacting on the management of rural sport and recreation facilities. This provided a framework for strategically manage sport and recreation facilities in rural community to serve as social anchors to communities. Key findings revealed that overarching poverty and socio-economic inequalities of impoverished communities, lack of strategic planning, vandalism, and maintenance of facilities directly impacted on the strategic delivery of needs-based programs at rural sport and recreation facilities. This framework could not only assist policymakers and implementers in the Limpopo province to strategically manage rural sport and recreation facilities to serve as social anchors to members of communities, but could also be utilized nationally and globally in sport and recreation service delivery environments.
Ms. Bronwyn N. Sumption, Dr. Philosophy, Sport Management.
Bronwyn Ann Sumption. The doctoral research focuses on identifying the black box of complex influences that are detrimental for intergenerational participation in institutionalized physical activity and sport across the lifespan within the South African context of township poverty. Such an approach provided rich data and contributed to the development of an integrated conceptual framework for the study. The consistency of constructing themes informed by contextual realities as integral to the socialization process translate into a myriad of interrelated influences that translate again into the aptitude and differential levels of motivation. The methodology allowed for capturing all these influences in a nuanced way as it manifested in the life world of individuals and collectives. One article was accepted for publication in an international journal and elicited interest from academics due to the generation of new insights and contributions to the current discourses of poverty, institutional practices, and longitudinal perspectives of healthy living.
The devastation brought by COVID-19 pandemic has left the global community in disarray. However, it is also a period that has shown our collective courage and unity as a country. Graduates, we are proud of your achievements. Yours is a truly outstanding and landmark achievement for you personally, your family and friends, your community, and for all of us here at UJ, South Africa and beyond. As we all celebrate, our graduates stand as reminders that accomplishment, triumph, and celebration are the outcomes of dedication and perseverance. traits which our nation and our world should draw great inspiration from. Our hope is that the time and sacrifices that you, your families, the university, and the state have invested in your education will now see you continue to grow intellectually, professionally, and as committed and respected citizens of our country and the wider global community. Let us also express words of gratitude to parents, families, spouses, partners, and friends for their support, motivation, and love during your studies. A graduation is an important achievement, and it also marks a new beginning. As our great leader Nelson Mandela wrote in his autobiography, Long Walk to Freedom, he said, "I have walked that long road to freedom. I have tried not to falter. I have made missteps along the way, but I have discovered the secret that after climbing a great hill, one only finds that there are many more hills to climb. I have taken a moment here to rest, to steal a view of the glorious vista that surrounds me, to look back on the distance I have come. But I can only rest for a moment, for with freedom come responsibilities, and I dare not linger, for my long walk is not yet ended." Having reached the summit of the mountain, one realizes, as Nelson Mandela reminds us, that there are even more mountains and valleys ahead. You graduated today at a time when the world faces considerable challenges. However, we are confident that our UJ graduates will contribute significantly towards a sustainable, better world. We believe our graduates have acquired the ingredients to become leaders that display exemplary ethical leadership that sets the tone for high standards. Remain critical thinkers and, armed with your UJ qualification, be change agents for a better world. To our graduates, Chancellor's Medal and Faculty Prize winners, our Masters and Doctoral candidates, and their supervisors, congratulations and well done with your exceptional academic performance. Special congratulations are extended to our distinguished honorary doctorate recipients for this year. UJ is truly proud of and privileged to have this association with you. I thank you. Re a leboga, baya danki, siyabonga.
The University of Johannesburg, the future reimagined.